That's no moon, it's a space station. So I thought I would make a quick tutorial on how to use a servo, and I was going to just show it moving. Well, that's a bit boring, I thought, so I jumped onto Thingiverse and found a Death Star I could print. Printed it off, painted it grey, glued it all together, there was 3 wires on the servo, brown being ground, red being positive, yellow being the signal wire. Hooked it all up to get it to work. Now let's look at the code. Alright, I've got 2 different sketches here to show you. I've got one where you can set in an angle that you want and it'll automatically go there, and another one where it will pan through from 0 to 180 and back. Alright, I'll start with the serial one. Now you need to include servo.h library. Right, now you need to declare servo and the servo name that you're going to be calling it. Now in the setup, for this one's pretty basic. Serial.begin 9600, serial1.attach. Now that's the pin that you've got the servo connected on. Servo1 right. Okay, now you've got this serial command stuff. Now I've got a video that I'll put a link in the cards which talks about how you read from the serial put on the Arduino and how you can get your characters back. Alright, now this little bit here, what it's doing is once the command comes through from the serial port, it's going to look at the first character. If the first character is S, and then it's going to say, oh yeah, this is what I'm after, and then every number that's after S, it's going to turn into the degree. So if you go S10, it's going to go to 10 degrees, S20, so on and so forth. That's what it's going to do. Alright, so that's that one. That one's fine. I'll just demonstrate that for you. So I'll just do S80, S180, S0. That's that one. Alright, now close that off. Now this one here is a bit different. Again, you need to declare your servo library, your servo itself. Have an integer for the angle that you're going to be setting. Now in the setup, it's just attach the servo to what pin it's connected on. Right, servo1.right, that's just the initial angle that you want to set in the setup, if there is one that you want to set, and it'll go there. In the loop, if it's less than 180, it's going to run through this loop each time, incrementing by 1. Alright, now once it's reached that condition, it's going to scan backwards. So it's going to keep going around this one, taking 1 each time. And then that's it. So if I upload this one, give you a chance to look at it, it's a bit noisy, it's going to be crap. And that's it.